Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make beet juice in a mixer. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You will need fresh beets, a reliable mixer, and a fine mesh strainer. Begin by thoroughly washing and scrubbing your beets to ensure they are clean. Then, you can peel them if you prefer, or leave the skin on for extra nutrients. Finally, cut the beets into manageable 1-inch to 2-inch pieces, preparing them for the blending process. Now, let's move on to the blending stage. Carefully place all your prepared beet pieces into your mixer. To help achieve a smooth consistency, add approximately 1/2 cup of water. This liquid assists the blades in breaking down the beets effectively. Blend the mixture on high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it reaches a smooth, uniform texture. If needed, pause and scrape down the sides to ensure everything is thoroughly blended. With your beet mixture blended, it is time to extract the pure juice. Place a fine mesh strainer over a large bowl or pitcher, ensuring it is stable. Slowly pour the thick beet mixture into the strainer. Use a spoon or a spatula to gently press down on the pulp, encouraging all the liquid to pass through. Continue pressing until no more juice can be extracted. You can then discard the remaining pulp or repurpose it for other culinary creations. Finally, your delicious, fresh beet juice is ready to enjoy. For the best taste and nutritional benefits, serve it immediately. If you wish to enhance the flavor, consider adding a small squeeze of lemon juice or a tiny piece of fresh ginger. Any leftover juice can be stored in an airtight container in your refrigerator. For optimal freshness and quality, make sure to consume the stored juice within 2 to 3 days. Cheers to your homemade goodness.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.